Welcome to Moneymentorville, a unique and innovative environment dedicated to providing an affordable financial head start for your family. In today's world, where financial literacy is more critical than ever, we, as parents, face the challenging task of balancing our expenditures while ensuring that our children grow into responsible, financially aware adults. Moneymentorville is here to make that journey smoother for both you and your children by offering an immersive learning experience that teaches valuable concepts, words, and ideas essential for financial wisdom. Imagine a place where children can explore the world of finance without even realizing they are learning. Moneymentorville has been designed with the understanding that children learn best when they are engaged and having fun. Through interactive games, insightful stories, and engaging activities, kids are introduced to financial principles in a way that feels like play, not work. This approach helps instill a sense of curiosity and excitement about managing money, laying a strong foundation for their financial future. Let's walk through the world of Moneymentorville. Picture your child navigating a colorful, vibrant town filled with opportunities to learn. Each corner offers a new adventure, a chance to make decisions, solve problems, and understand the consequences of those decisions. Whether they're setting up their own mini business, budgeting for a big purchase, or even learning the value of saving, the lessons they absorb here are practical and applicable to real-life situations. At the core of Moneymentorville's philosophy is the belief that financial literacy is not just about making smart decisions, but about developing critical thinking skills and a mindset that's prepared for the challenges of life. By teaching children to understand concepts like earning, saving, spending, and investing, we're equipping them with the tools to win the game of life. Our interactive curriculum is crafted by experts in both education and finance, ensuring that the material is not only accurate and relevant, but also easy to grasp. Parents, you will appreciate how Moneymentorville integrates seamlessly into your family's routine. The platform encourages family discussions about money, turning what is often a taboo subject into an open, educational conversation. These discussions are vital as they help normalize talking about finances, making it easier for children to understand the importance of money management. Moreover, Moneymentorville teaches concepts that are often overlooked in traditional education. Topics such as the importance of credit scores, understanding loans and interests, and preparing a budget are just a few examples. By introducing these ideas early on, we prepare children to face future financial decisions with confidence and acumen. Another remarkable feature of Moneymentorville is how it promotes a hands-on approach to learning. Through virtual activities that mimic real-world financial scenarios, children are encouraged to think on their feet and make decisions. They learn the value of patience through saving, the rewards of investing wisely, and the satisfaction that comes from reaching financial goals. It's these small victories that build a lifelong appreciation for financial responsibility. Moneymentorville is more than just an educational tool, it's a community. As children progress, they share their stories, achievements, and challenges with their peers, fostering a sense of camaraderie and learning from each other's experiences. This social aspect is crucial as it helps children realize that they are not alone in their financial journey, and that sharing knowledge can be mutually beneficial. As we conclude our journey through Moneymentorville, it's vital to recognize the lasting impact of early financial education. By providing our children with a head start, we're setting them on a path to success that can influence every aspect of their lives. The skills they acquire today will help them navigate the complexities of adulthood with confidence and poise. In Moneymentorville, learning is not a chore, but an adventure, leading to a future where financial prosperity is attainable for everyone. Parents, imagine a world where your children have the confidence to make informed financial decisions, where they can discuss money matters openly, and where they are ready to face the financial challenges of tomorrow. In a world that's constantly changing, let's give our children the best possible start. Let's give them Moneymentorville, where the seeds of financial wisdom are planted and nurtured to grow into a lifetime of success. Thank you for joining us in this exciting venture, where together we can create a brighter financial future for the next generation.